Here I have Nokia 5 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the Nokia settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's unlock the screen. Here you have to find and select the settings icon. So let's open the list of all applications, find and select settings. Here I have settings. Let's scroll down and afterwards let's find and select backup and reset. It's right here under personal tab. Then choose factory data reset. Select reset phone, and if you are sure that you want to accomplish the hard reset operation, so if you would like to erase all personal data and customize settings, choose erase everything. And that's it. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.